Today, I'm going to teach you a super fun and easy way to start with calligraphy, even if you don't have brush pens. This is called faux calligraphy, and it's perfect for beginners. It's a technique where we mimic the look of brush lettering using simple tools like a regular pen, pencil, or fine liner. That means no fancy tools, just your regular stationery. Now, before we jump into the alphabet, let me show you some basic strokes that make up almost every letter. We'll start with simple curves. Draw a basic curved stroke. Then add a second line along the parts where the stroke goes downward. Once your second lines are in place, go ahead and fill them in. This will help you understand where the thick parts go, and it's a great warm-up. Now that you've got the idea, let's move on to the full lowercase alphabet. I'll go through each letter one by one, slowly and clearly. Make sure to pause the video or practice along as we go. And don't forget to add those thick downstrokes and fill them in. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and fun. Keep practicing your strokes and letters. If you find this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.